Kaning Nanay Ningning and J. Rick Silva. Even Kuya Jojo, you threatening to hostage him? Paulo Cruzada, with all due respect, Nanay Ningning is still currently living in the Philippines. She has her own house thanks to Nanay Banji. If I were you, Paulo Cruzada, inaano ka ba ni Nanay Ningning if I'm just saying to you? First of all, Lorraine Shook. Second, J. Rick Silva's girlfriend. Third, Joseph Maspinas. Fourth, Teacher May Tiburcio. And fifth is Mr. Dennis Gill. And another one is Nanay Ningning and even Joel Ferrer. Paulo Cruzada, if you are understanding what you're doing, I know you always politicalize, you like Bongbong Marcos, you like ISIS, and you threatening to hostage Nanay Ningning. You know, Paulo Cruzada, Nanay Ningning will never give you a pizza. I swear, Nanay Ningning will never give you a pizza. Even the slice of pizza, how many slice of pizza? Oh, pizza anyway for Giardino. Oh, pizza anyway for Buddy Castro. Even for Rafa Soco. Oh, even for Ronald Rebena. Oh, including my friend, Mark Domingo Quason Cruz, Juan Carlo Pabale, even Carl Bilos, Tera Francisco, Dan Mardayaw, Baham Hernando, Cedric Mariano, Roylan Marlang. That's all pizza for Nanay Ningning, except Paulo Cruzada. I will give pizza anyway to Teacher Marisa, to Ate Mel, Ate Rona, and even who else? Teacher Evelyn, Teacher Julie, Nikki Miranda, Jens Manaid, everyone, I gave them a pizza except Paulo Cruzada. You know, Paulo Cruzada, have a shame to yourself. Even Jordan Pilapil, she doesn't like what you're doing. And you still keep messaging to Nanay Ningning. Remember, Paulo Cruzada, unlike Eskel Penumbra, he was reprimanded by Teacher Kel. Pinagbawalan na si Eskel Penumbra paggamit ng Facebook. Unlike you, Paulo Cruzada, what you're saying to Nanay Ningning, it is not really good to say that to her. You know, Paulo Cruzada, Nanay Ningning is really retired from the Germany compared to Ate Vicky. She's also retired from work. When Sir Paulo Cua told me, Paulo Cruzada, have a shame to Nanay Ningning. You know, Nanay Ningning is really upset. She doesn't have husband, Uncle Eugene. Even Anya, my ninang, have never seen communicate while she was in the US. And Nanay Ningning never communicate Anya in Messenger. Unlike you, Paulo Cruzada, you're harassing Nanay Ningning. And Nanay Ningning is my third mother. My first mother is my mom. Named Bienvenida Balingit Pajardo. My second mother is Nanay Adiling, Magdalena Balingit. My third mother is Anna Kirchenberg, Nanay Ningning. You know, Paulo Cruzada, have a shame to yourself. If you threaten to harass Nanay Ningning, I will shoot you a pellet gun, Paulo Cruzada. If I call the Spedmotics of J. Rick Silva, he will eaten you alive by Philippine Raptor. Sige lang, Paulo Cruzada, banatan mo lang si Nanay Ningning. Like I said to you, Paulo Cruzada, tatawag ako kay J. Rick Silva at mga Spedmotics. Babanatan ka na, Paulo Cruzada. You know, Paulo Cruzada, When you say about Viva Bongbong Marcos, when you say about ako ang ISIS ng bayan, you know, it's really hurt, Paulo Cruzada. You will pay for this, for what you did to Nanay Ningning. Like I said before, Paulo Cruzada, putang ina mo, Paulo Cruzada. Walang yaka. Inaway mo pa si Nanay Ningning. And fuck you, Paulo Cruzada. You harass Nanay Ningning. You are an asshole. You are abnormal. I've been reported you to Teacher Evelyn Kaka. I messaged Teacher Evelyn. I messaged Luis Cabales. I messaged I message Teacher Marisa, Luis Cabales, Mr. Dennis Gill, the father of David Gill. I asked the father of David Gill, Mr. Dennis Gill, tell Joel Ferrer, you can file the cases against Paulo Cruzada. If I were you, Paulo Cruzada, there is karma for what you did to Nanay Ningning. First of all, Mr. Dennis Gill. Second is Luis Cabales. Third, Mark Joshua Pasione. Fourth is Nanay Ningning, Anna Kirchenberg, and Kuya Jojo. It is very nice, Paulo Cruzada, to harass Kuya Jojo. What if you say it again, Paulo Cruzada, if you comment Kuya MA? My mom will be upset. Like I say to you, Paulo Cruzada, saksakin ko yung baga mo, Paulo Cruzada. Like I said to you. And you do not know what you're talking about. Nanay Ningning is really retired. She's always retired at you. I know Nanay Ningning, she gave me a diecast car o Porsche 911 gift from Uncle Eugene. I chat with Jared Dino in the first place. I chat Jared Dino. Oh, Nanay Ningning gave me a Porsche o diecast toy car since I was with Arion. Oh, Nanay Ningning gave me a chocolate from Germany. It is what you like, Paulo Cruzada. Someday, Nanay Ningning will never give you a chocolate, Paulo Cruzada. Nanay Ningning will never give you a pizza, Paulo Cruzada. If we are same as rivalry like Francis Leo Marcos and Makagago, we are enemy, Paulo Cruzada. Jens Manaid will never like you anymore, even Jordan Pilapil. Even the CDIFI teachers and staff, they didn't really like you, Paulo Cruzada. Even the Carousel production, Lorraine Shook, they didn't like you, Paulo Cruzada. And you harass Nanay Ningning, even Lorraine Shook.